Hello guys, I'm Mickey, and if you're just tuning to my channel, I actually want you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the box below. It's got my face in it, so just click on the box and subscribe to my channel. And I don't want you guys to miss out on any interesting skincare reviews here to come from me. And cream mixtures, yes, I mean cream mixtures. I'm going to be mixing cream for you guys to see. And stay tuned for the next video that's about to come on. Yep, it's about to come. Hello guys, I'm Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about black salt. Black salt, as we know, actually hails from India, and it's a natural product. It doesn't contain any chemical-based product whatsoever. It's natural. And for people who actually love to go all natural, who love to use organic products, the salt is for you. When added with other ingredients, it can be used to make whitening body scrub. It can actually be used as a body scrub alone without adding other ingredients. But when you add other ingredients into the black salt, it can be used to make whitening body scrub. It works as an excellent healing element. It can be used to heal cracked feet, swollen feet, athlete's foot, warts, and even body acne. Yes, it does heal body acne. Black salt can be added into your bath water. You'll notice your body feels completely rejuvenated and replenished because it makes your body feel so soft, like that of a baby. And it's always good when you use black salt at night because you just undergone stress and all that. It relaxes the body. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. It relaxes the body. Apart from that, you can actually use black salt as a scrub, as I've said earlier. The scrub should be used twice or 3 times a week, but mind you, it should be used at night. I would advise you to use black salt at night. Then it opens all your pores, your clogged pores, and allows your cream to work. Apart from that, it's since all the dust has been accumulated over time and the ray view of the sun, using black salt at night is way better because your body feels relaxed and you're going to be having a baby soft skin. You're looking for a baby soft skin, go for black salt. It's really good. It's advisable. Need I remind you, black salt actually helps give your body a shiny and oil-free face look. As I said earlier, it does remove acne. So imagine something that removes your body acne. It will definitely give you a shiny look, a beautiful look. That's why I'd advise you to use it mostly at night. And if you actually want more interesting videos, check out my other videos that will be displayed on the screen right now. You can click on it and check out some interesting videos that will help polish your skin, help give you a glowing skin, also help teach you how to whiten your skin in no time. See you guys next week. Bye guys. Hello YouTubers, if you've been watching my video and you've not subscribed, please do so and click on the link that will be displayed below this video right now and subscribe to my channel so you don't get to miss out on interesting videos yet to come. Thanks guys. Bye.